Marcos Rogerio de Lima is set to go down against Justin Tafa. This looks like a really great combat. You know that Justin Tafa beat the shit out of Austin Lane and many other high-level opponents. He's got a great knockout power, big left hand. Yes, he's one of the shortest guys in the division, but he hits like a Mack truck, and Pesao is very much well-rounded. Many people are going to say that Pesao is a stand-up god, but I assure you, Pesao knows to fight both on the ground and in the stand-up, and I'm confident that Pesao is going to get the advantage if the fight gets dragged to the ground. But as long as the fight remains standing, Tafa is a very, very tough southpaw fighter, very great angling, extremely good short-range strikes. So I believe Tafa could catch him with a big punch. But if Pesao drags the fight to the ground, he could destroy him via submission or GMP. So I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. But as a side call, I'm looking for Tafa's knockout victory.